day I moved 400 miles away with my little family from our hometown. Nothing beats a Texas sunset or 7-hour drives to your new house. We are here. Too bad this one isn't ours. It's going to be a long 24 hours. But here we are. Here's the new office, plus Reed's stair heads. Okay, so we are full of boxes right now, but I absolutely adore this little house. I mean, obviously the kitchen is not set up yet. We are gonna put can lights up here, so definitely stay tuned for that. We're gonna be doing a few updates to the house, like we're gonna paint these walls eventually and everything, but the moving process has been kind of chaos. But the master bedroom, super excited. I look like crud right now, or I would show you guys my face. But bathroom is huge. My closet is smaller than it used to be, but we can figure something out there. I am super excited to get this process moving. Even though we did downsize a little bit, the openness of our kitchen and living room really, and then the super tall ceilings, I think that is absolutely gorgeous. It's not as bad as it seemed when I was looking at the square footage of this house. So our backyard needs some hefty work, but it is also huge. It also backs up to this cute little park literally right in our backyard. Tons of birds here, but I literally have palm trees in my yard now. That is such a dream. But yeah, our backyard actually circles around the house, but it is hot as crap, so I'm gonna go back in. So I'm actually about to go get myself ready. We're gonna have some lunch and then we're gonna do a little bit of shopping. I have to get a rug for in here, and then we are setting up. Let me show you. We are currently setting up this dining set that I actually got on Amazon literally for under $500. I don't know if it's still on sale, so don't quote me on that, but this is the other, that's the actual table. But we're putting a small table here, and then our bar stools that we brought with us are not tall enough, so we're gonna have to get new ones of those. But I'm super excited for this little area and my cute little Amazon table find. So that's that. We are gonna put a rug in here. We're gonna hang the TV up and then put something underneath it, but that's just sitting right there for now. And then I'm super excited about my fireplace. I have no idea what this is. So if you guys have ever seen anything like this before, potentially know what this is, please let me know, because I have no idea. But super excited about my fireplace. Christmas tree is going right there. Already have that set in stone. But super excited. We're going to eat lunch real quick, and then we gotta put our table up. But we're gonna put our table up, eat lunch, and then do a little house shopping. And it is day 2-ish in our new house. So it is Monday. We moved in on, I guess it was well, we got here Saturday night, and then scratch that. We got here Friday night. Got up early Saturday, met the movers at our house, and moved everything in. And then I would say it was like about, I don't know, 1 or 2 when they were done with everything, and we started kind of like unloading everything. But it wasn't until yesterday that we actually like got our kitchen livable, and then we have stuff everywhere. We ordered furniture. Well, that's what we do. So we went furniture shopping on Saturday and ordered a new couch. I ordered a rug. We've got all kinds of stuff coming in, so there's definitely gonna be a part 2 to this little vlog, but I wanna go ahead and show you guys like what we've kind of already done and give you like, it's not really an empty house tour, it's more of like a cluttered house tour, but I'm gonna show you what we're working with and then update you guys as I get more things for my house, because y'all already know that most of my house is going to be for Amazon, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we've done so far. So our kitchen is set up and livable. I am gonna get some hardware to put on these cabinets, thinking black or soap, something like that, just to give it an extra pop. And I don't know, the cabinets just need hardware. But we are pretty much done in here. Gotta put a few things away. We did eat dinner in our own kitchen last night, which was really fun. Need to clean up the bar a little bit, but I did get this little mini kitchen dining set on Amazon. That's Tat Maddox's diaper bag. Like I said, we still have some organizing to do around here, but that fit perfectly in our little like breakfast nook area. Already know that the coffee bar was the first thing to set up, but I'm probably also going to change it 100 times before I'm in love with it. My little sign is gonna go up above here. As far as I know, like I said, could change 100 times before I love it, but for right now, it's convenient. And the coffee bar is open. And I love that we have a fireplace. I'm super excited to decorate this mantle because I have actually never had one before to decorate. So Christmas tree is going there. Here, Maddox has his little play spot right there. Yeah. And then we are gonna hang our TV up. Don't know what we're gonna put in this empty space below yet, but this is our guest bathroom. Haven't quite gotten this together yet, but here it is. I did put a few things out, but I'm really ready to be in my hosting era because living far away, people are gonna come stay at our house, so I've gotta make it cute. But I do really love that we have a full-size bathroom. So our room is a little bit of a mess. At least my bed is made, right? But we still have boxes literally everywhere. We're actually going to put our TV here and then put my dresser right there, but we haven't done that yet. We literally have a brand new TV that we haven't even opened yet. And then our bathroom is pretty huge. You can already see I've filmed some content in here, but I need to get a shower curtain. Mirror is huge, but these yellow lights have to go, so we are actually changing that this week. My phone is in my pocket and it's making these shorts go sideways. I'm gonna take that out. It just was looking real weird. Not loving that. But anyways, like I said, we are gonna be doing some updating to the house, and like as we get new furniture, it's going to look different. I'll keep you guys updated on that. But I'm super excited to finally live at the beach after living 27 years up in DFW and being in the city. It is so nice to come live. Maddox is excited too. To live the island life and just kind of slow down and chase a dream. I'm telling you guys, this is something that even as a kid, I just always wanted to live at the beach. Then I met Reed in high school and we just kind of had the same goals in mind. So the fact that we're finally here, I say finally, we're still in our 20s and we did it. So this is your sign to chase your dreams. But seriously, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like I said, I'm going to be updating you guys. This is only part 1. There's going to be a part 2. I don't know how many parts after that, but as I'm getting furniture in, I'm going to be filming content and keeping you guys up to date. He really wants to be in this video. You're so cute. Until then, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.